Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. Today, I've got something really exciting for you, a full review of the brand new UGREEN NASync DH2300. This little box right here might just change the way you think about data storage. It's a home cloud storage solution designed for everyday users like you and me. People who want their data stay private, accessible, and completely under their control. With this device, you can set up your own personal cloud at home and store everything, your photos, videos, documents, and backups, without ever relying on third-party cloud services like iCloud, Google Drive, or Dropbox. So let's dive right in and take a closer look at what makes this NAS device so special. Let's quickly go over what a NAS actually is. NAS stands for Network Attached Storage. In simple terms, it's a small server that connects to your home network and allows you to store, share, and access your files from anywhere. Think of it as having your own personal Google Drive, but instead of your data living on someone else's server, it's all safely stored right inside your home. You can access it through your iPhone, iPad, Android, Mac, or Windows PC, and you can even set up multiple users so everyone in the family can have their own private space. And since it's connected to your network, you can also access your data remotely through the UGREEN NAS app, whether you are at home or halfway across the world. Now, why would you want to use a NAS device like this? Well, for starters, privacy and control. With big cloud providers, your data lives on servers owned by someone else. You're trusting that they will keep it safe and not use it for anything beyond storage. But with a NAS, you are the only one who has access to your files. No one else can peek into your data. Secondly, there's cost. Cloud storage has become extremely expensive. For example, I currently pay $26.99 a month for 6 TB of iCloud storage. That's over £320 a year, and it's a subscription that never ends. With a NAS, you make a one-time investment and that's it. You own your storage and you can expand it whenever you want. In this case, up to 60 TB on the NASync DH2300. That's 5 times more than what Apple even allows you to get with iCloud storage. And thirdly, NAS devices can do more than just store data. You can use them for automatic backups, file sharing, media streaming, and even run small apps directly on the device. Inside the box, you get the UGREEN NASync DH2300 itself, a power adapter, an Ethernet cable for connecting to your router, a screwdriver and screws for installing your hard drives, some documentation, and a 2-year warranty card. What's important to note is that a NAS device doesn't come with hard drives included. You will need to buy those separately. UGREEN recommends NAS optimized drives such as WD-RED or Seagate Ironwolf, which are designed to run 24/7 and provide better reliability for continuous use. I personally went with two 4TB WD-RED drives for this review, giving me a total of 8TB of personal cloud storage right out of the box. Now, the setup process is incredibly simple. You just insert the hard drives into the two slots, secure them with the included screws, place the hard disk trays back into the device and push them gently until you hear a click sound, close the lid, and connect the device to your router using the Ethernet cable. Once powered on, the NAS makes a short beep sound and you will see 3 LEDs light up, one for power and 2 indicating the status of each hard drive. After powering it on, the rest of the setup is done through the UGREEN NAS app, which is available on iOS, Android, Mac, and Windows. The app automatically detects NAS sync device and walks you through a guided setup that just takes around 5 to 10 minutes. It's extremely beginner friendly. You don't need any networking knowledge or technical skills. Everything is explained clearly and you will have your personal cloud running in no time. Once the setup is complete, you will be taken to the app's dashboard. This gives you a quick overview of system stats like temperature, storage usage, network status, and installed apps. The File section works similarly to Finder on Mac or File Explorer on Windows. Here, you can browse all the folders stored on your NAS, upload new files, create folders, move or delete files, and even preview documents, photos, and videos directly inside the app. There's also a recycle bin that stores deleted files temporarily, so if you ever delete something by mistake, you can restore it easily. Next up, the Control Center gives you access to important settings like user management, network setup, and power management. And the storage section shows you how much space is used and how your drives are configured. You can choose to combine both drives into one large single volume or use RAID 1 mirroring, which keeps an exact copy of your data on both drives. This means that if one drive fails, all your data is still safe on the other. One of the things I really like about UGreen's NASync system is its built-in app ecosystem. It comes preloaded with essential apps, but you can also install new ones directly from the App Store. For example, the Vault app lets you create an encrypted, password-protected space for sensitive files. The Snapshot app automatically creates restore points for your data so you can roll back to a specific version if something goes wrong. Sync and Backup allows you to set up automatic backups for your phones, computers, or even cloud accounts. Installing apps is literally one tap, and you can expand the functionality of your NAS depending on your needs. The mobile data backup feature is a game changer for iPhone users. Once enabled, your entire photos library gets automatically backed up to your NAS whenever you're connected to Wi-Fi. Every photo or video you take is synced in real time. You can then free up space on your phone and stop paying for iCloud altogether. Even better, the app includes AI-powered photo organization. It can automatically categorize and identify people, location, and objects, and you can search your photos by typing what you're looking for. This makes finding specific memories super easy, even if you have thousands of photos. Performance-wise, the NASync DH2300 comes with a 1 GB LAN port, which delivers up to 125 megabytes of transfer speeds per second. That's more than enough for fast file transfers, 4K video streaming, and remote access to large files. And because this NAS has an HDMI port, you can even connect it directly to your TV and use it as a media server. You can store all your favorite movies and shows on the NAS and play them directly on your TV. No need for external drives or streaming boxes. It's a great way to create your own home media hub. Now let's talk about value. At just under $200, the UGreen NASync DH2300 offers incredible value for what it delivers. Compare that to paying hundreds of dollars every year for cloud storage, and it quickly becomes clear how cost-effective it is. Add in a pair of 4TB drives, and for around $450, you can set up an 8TB personal cloud that's fast, secure, expandable, and fully yours. You can even upgrade later. The system supports up to 60 terabytes. After using UGreen NASync DH2300 for a while, I can confidently say I'm hooked. Having my own private cloud means my data is safe. I'm not at the mercy of rising subscription fees, and I can access my files anytime, anywhere. The setup was quick. The interface is clean and responsive, and the mobile app experience has been smooth. Whether you're a content creator, a family with tons of photos, or just someone who values privacy, this is a device worth getting. It's reliable, flexible, and surprisingly affordable for everything it offers. So that wraps up my review of the UGreen NASync DH2300. If you're looking to take control of your data, ditch your cloud subscription, and enjoy true storage freedom, this might just be the perfect choice for you. You can find the links to purchase the NAS and the drives I used in this review down below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more iOS and tech reviews from iOS Hacker. Thanks for watching.